Okay, so last time we were having this issue with just getting a string to print out, and I switched it to just the title string, and it's not happy. So when it gets to this point, I usually turn to my old pal Google, and let's just say C++ string cout, something like that. Let's see what happens. And I get right here up top, why I cannot see out a string. So Stack Overflow has good stuff a lot of times. This CppHonorsDannyBookFeedback2 has good stuff too. So let's see, it says, why can't I? So it looks like something very similar to what we're trying to do here. Won't work. We scroll down. It's amazing, even that's not working. What do they say? The answers. You need to include string. So we need this include statement, it looks like here. So let's try that. Boom, boom, boom. Include string. Yoink. And let's see if our... Oh! The squiggle went away. Let's see if and it's not down here anymore. You can uncomment that and get rid of this. Let's see, it looks like I'm going to hit F5 again. Let's see what we got. Okay, we still got some problems. Would you like to continue and run the last successful build? No, I would not. I want to see my error. So it's line 67. I'm just going to do that double clicking trick here. Right to line 67. Book printing. Why is it not happy with that? Book. No appropriate default constructor available. Oh, okay, it's the destructor. Book. Do we have a constructor for book? Looks like the constructor for book wants you to pass an author and a title. So I will try doing that. Let's see, how about Beginner's Mind by Suzuki, This is the book that's sitting next to my computer right now, so that's why I'm using this one. Alright, and so now we've given the inputs that are required by the constructor. If you had a constructor with no inputs, so if you had like a default constructor here with no author and title in there, then you could have done just book printing like that. All right, so let's just make sure this works. Oh, we still got a problem. Let's see. Now, what do we got now? Oh, it's a link problem. So main already defined. Oh, because I have a main file here. Yeah, so the idea is your book class should not have a main file. You should be using the main file that came with the project to test your book class. Okay, so we don't want to have a main actually in here. So if you want to use this to test your class, what you can do is, let's copy this. Copy into your test book class. Paste, okay. Yeah, so we don't want to have a main function here, so I'm going to get rid of that. Boom, boom, boom. Do we have a main thing up here? I don't see it. Alright, so let's see if that works. So that was a link error. That wasn't a compiler error. That just ran into a problem because everything compiled smoothly, but we had two different mains, and so the compiler or the linker was confused. Oh, but let's see. Book has no member print details now. Let's see. Oh, it's a public method. Print details is right there. Alright, so now we got to figure out why is it that it's not letting us call print details from this other guy. Do we have the same namespace? Namespace standard. Oh, are you using the book? Oh, yeah. So I think we also have to use the header files here. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me look at what is being asked of you here. So I might have messed up where we're supposed to be in the steps. So I'm gonna take another look at the instructions and make sure I'm steering you the right way as far as using the test classes and all that.